Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best bath bombs is probably one of the most relaxing and fun ways to elevate your bath time experience. These fizzy, colorful spheres not only transform your tub into a fragrant oasis but also offer skin-loving benefits. From the vibrant colors and delightful scents to the potential therapeutic properties, bath bombs have become a beloved self-care staple. But with so many options available, how do you choose the perfect one? Number 5. Life Around 2 Angels Bath Bombs Gift Set. These bath bombs are individually handcrafted. They are functional and relaxing, perfect for a spa-like experience. Made in California, USA with premium natural ingredients. It fizzes with colors, but won't stain your tub. Formulated for normal and dry skin, this bath bomb provides therapeutic and moisturizing benefits. It will leave your skin feeling soft and refreshed. Developed by a bath bomb company with passion, this set is a perfect gift idea. It's great for birthdays, Mother's Day, or any special occasion. This bath bomb gift set is on many wish lists. It is a perfect gift for the special ones in your life, including mom, wife, or girlfriend. What we like. This bath bomb set is made in the USA with natural ingredients, ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience. It's formulated to moisturize and soothe normal to dry skin, leaving you feeling refreshed. If you're looking for a thoughtful gift for someone special, this set is perfect for birthdays, Mother's Day, or any occasion. What people say. The bath bomb fizzes and dissolves beautifully. The colors are vibrant and create a visually stunning display in the water. The scent is long-lasting and fills the entire bathroom. Number 4. INTEYE Organic Bath Bombs Gift Set. This luxurious gift set includes 24 handmade bath bombs, each rich in essential oils. It's the perfect gift for anyone, ideal for birthdays, holidays, or just because. The set is divided into 4 elegant boxes, each containing 6 unique scents and colors. Each bath bomb offers a different sensory experience, making bath time a true delight. Enjoy scents like Summer Dream, Morning Rose, Ocean Pearl, Good Night, Rainforest, and Lovely Cupid. Each one is carefully crafted with essential oils for a unique and refreshing experience. The advanced formula creates vibrant fizzing and floating effects in the water. The natural ingredients ensure a long shelf life, without any clumping or premature foaming. Made with grapeseed oil, shea butter, cocoa butter, and coconut oil, it nourishes and moisturizes dry skin. It improves skin texture, leaving it silky smooth and gentle enough for daily use. INTEYE provides premium ingredients and responsive customer care. If you have any questions, they will respond within 10 hours. They guarantee 100% satisfaction. What we like. With 24 unique bath bombs in various scents, this set offers a luxurious and diverse bathing experience. The organic and skin-friendly formula, enriched with essential oils, nourishes your skin. If you are looking for a gift set that caters to different preferences and skin types, this is a great choice for kids and adults. What people say. They are bright and colorful. They have not left any kind of stain or discoloration on my white tub. The scents are lovely, though they are strong, so if scent is a concern for you, these may be too powerful. Number 3. Body Restore Lavender Shower Steamers 15-pack. These aromatherapy shower melts dissolve in your shower, releasing essential oils. They help you immerse yourself in deep relaxation. These shower bombs last longer than standard tablets. It's ideal for those who want to feel rejuvenated the natural way. Melt away the day's stress with these relaxing shower bombs. They are great for anyone who needs a little self-care. Convenient and compact, they are perfect for on-the-go relaxation. These travel-sized toiletries transform any shower into a luxurious spa experience. Spoil your sweetheart or best friend. When it comes to spa gifts or stress relief gifts, these shower steamers are the ultimate choice. What we like. These shower steamers are infused with lavender essential oils, providing a relaxing aromatherapy experience. They are designed to melt away stress and fatigue, making them perfect for unwinding after a long day. If you are looking for a convenient way to relax and rejuvenate, especially when traveling, these steamers are a must-have. What people say. The lavender is very relaxing but also cleared my stuffy nose when I had a cold. Using these scent rounds is incredibly easy. The scent will remain in the bathroom for a bit, but there's no cleanup involved. Number 2. Two Sisters Superhero Bath Bombs, 6-pack. Experience the magic of these effervescent bath bombs. Each one unveils a superhero toy surprise. Watch as it fizzes and dissolves, creating a colorful and bubbly bath experience. Kids will be thrilled to discover a superhero toy in every bath bomb. The fizzing action creates excitement as they dissolve, revealing a fun surprise. Collect them all. Enjoy a variety of fruity scents like fruit punch, citrus, banana, Fruit Loops, berry, and grape. The aromas transform an ordinary bath into a vibrant, bubbly adventure for your kids. These bath bombs are made with skin-safe elements and won't stain the tub. The special formula is free from common irritants, ensuring the safety of your children. They are also crafted in the USA. These bath bombs are perfect for gifting. They come in single packs, multi-packs, and festive editions. They are a thoughtful gift for birthdays, Christmas, Valentine's Day, Easter, and more. What we like. These bath bombs contain surprise superhero toys, making bath time fun and exciting for kids. The fruity scents and skin-safe formula ensure a pleasant and safe experience. If you have kids or are looking for a unique gift to make bath time enjoyable, this is the perfect option. What people say. The bath bomb fizzes and dissolves beautifully. The colors are vibrant and create a visually stunning display in the water. The scent is amazing and fills the entire bathroom. Number 1. Lagunamoon Bath Bombs, 25 pieces gift set. This luxurious set includes 25 handmade bath bombs and 3 bubble bars. Each is made with high-quality essential oils and moisturizers. They will leave your skin feeling incredibly soft. Unlike other bath bombs, this set won't stain your tub or skin. It also won't leave behind any sticky residue. Enjoy a clean and relaxing bath experience. The bath bombs come in a variety of playful scents, like honeysuckle and coconut vanilla. Each one is individually wrapped and beautifully presented in an elegant box, making it perfect for gifting. These bath bombs are made with shea butter, coconut oil, and sunflower seed oil. These natural ingredients moisturize and soothe your skin, leaving it feeling refreshed. This set is the ideal gift for anyone. It's packaged in an environmentally friendly box. It's perfect for Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, or any special celebration. Lagunamoon provides excellent customer service. If you're not satisfied with your purchase, they will make sure you are taken care of. Your satisfaction is their top priority. What we like. This set includes 25 extra-large bath bombs and bubble bars with a variety of playful scents and patterns. The bombs are made with natural hydrators, leaving your skin feeling soft and soothed. If you like a luxurious and moisturizing bath experience with a wide range of scents, you should consider this set. What people say. They gave my bath excellent smell and comfort that my bath time's so relaxing, I almost didn't want to leave the bath. The packaging is sturdy, cute, and well sealed. The presentation is excellent too. It looks far more premium than the price tag would suggest. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.